Welcome to yet another video in my channel. I always been telling my audience that it's not only white collar jobs that will make you become a successful person in life. It's not only that you go to the highest schools, obtain highest diploma, degree, certificate, or even PhD that will make you a successful person in life. But there are also some kind of jobs that you can do and you earn life, you live your life, you become successfully. Today I'm inside a young man's workshop, that is garage in Juba, South Sudan. Trust me, I can say he's successful. A very young man, energetic, who have established his own workshop. Now he can repair the big cars in town. You know that, right? Yeah. He fixes the big government cars, the big celebrity cars, the G-Wagons, the Mercedes-Benz, the Land Cruisers, the V8, all roads is coming where? To his workshop. Yes, this is Africa, man. You can see he's busy. Hello?
Yes, hello.
Yes, how are you?
I'm good.
Yeah. Man, I'm really amused by your work, you know.
Thank you.
That's 10 out of 10 ratings.
All right.
Yeah, actually, I'm a YouTuber and I expose African success, African lifestyle, African culture to the world. Now, as you are a young man like this, I saw your work. You'll be rated a lot, and almost everywhere. Yeah. So I decided to come and have a visit with you, so that we expose to Africa what you're doing. It's so amusing, man.
Okay.
So tell us about your journey. Tell us what your names and about your journey, how you started from car. I don't know, your story might be different.
All right.
So right away, come over.
All right. My name's of Justin Latio. So well known as Igwe. So the name Igwe came and I became a senior mechanic.
Yeah.
So that's the fun name they gave me actually. I started back this work a long way ago, since 2009. I started with motorcycles, from motorcycles, generators, then from generators I have to, because when you're dealing with technology, you have to at least progress each and every day.
Yeah.
So once I was done with the use of motorcycle, I shift to
you first wait. You started from motorcycles,
of course,
to generators, and now to big engines. Oh man, you congratulations, man. You really inspired us a lot.
Okay,
yeah,
right.
yeah. Okay.
So when I came, actually, I'm just a hustler who always need to gain something.
Yeah.
So when I came, I tried to look for actually a job, but it was not there.
Yeah.
So the only thing was for me to just go to those guys and at least beg for something. I know the work very well. Like when it comes to vehicle, I started like only 3 months, but at least from there I gained something. So when I went to a certain guy, I asked him about the issue of mechanics, so he told me, I'm very young, I can't do anything. But as the image and the confidence I was having, I said I'll do it. So he gave me like 2 vehicles to remove the engine out.
Yeah.
So after removing, he now gave me...
That was a test given to you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, he gave me a recommendation that, okay, you can actually work with me. So I worked with him for like 3 years. So those 3 years that I worked, I actually learned a lot. Then I gained a lot of things also. Yeah. So from there I decided, like, because I did not go to technical school whereby I will know other things, because most of the time the things they are calling, they're using Arabic. So I have to go now and learn. So I went to school. I went and do technical school for like 2 years.
Yeah.
So from there, when I came, I was like, okay, now I've known the practical part, the theory part. Now what I want is only to have my own place. So I came with some spanners, few of them.
Yeah.
So when I came, because life was difficult, like for you to start something, of course, it's always difficult. I have to go back to where I came from, to that same guy. Yeah. So I also begged him, I want to work. He was like, you are fine, we'll just continue working. Yeah. So when I joined him, I also worked for like 2 to 3 months. That's when the corona started. Yeah, yeah. Now when it started, there's no way out of we doing another thing. We just left the work like that. So after leaving, I have to look for a work. Getting work was not easy until I went to Agap. Agap is a big company. So when I went to them, I have the certificates, and then they were like, okay, you're welcome. So I worked with them for like 3 months. And those 3 months, the vehicles that were working like those heavy vehicles, like the bulletproof vehicles, the one for the government.
Yeah.
And we were only 2 who are actually working on those vehicles. So.
You mean you can repair the bulletproof?
Of course, I do.
Yeah, yeah.
So after working on those vehicles, you know, things to deal with the family. I have parents, and the money I was getting from there, it was not enough. So I have to talk to them at least, like, to add, but they were like, they don't have that budget for adding. So from there, because of the talent I have, I said, okay, I also have people who have known me, who have known my work. So I said, let me first quit and let me try my own. In case I fail, then I'll go to them back. Yeah. So they gave me that chance that, okay, if you go out and there's no work completely, you have to come back. So indeed I came, just from nowhere. That's when today.
Ah, man, your story is great.
Yeah.
Your story is great. Yeah. All right, like how many people, because I see you, there are very many cars around, and then I don't know, how many people are you working with? You work alone?
No, currently I have 4 boys who are working with me.
Okay.
And they're the same age with me.
Okay.
So I don't have someone who's...
Wow! It works for young people.
Of course.
I like that, yeah. So I really like that.
There's no one who is above 30.
Yeah.
All of us are below 30.
Yeah,
so at least those who are working with me, they know. So that, like, if I'm to play someone who is older than me, then the respect will not be there. At least someone whom we are sharing the same age, and then there the work will be easier. Like, he'll also send me, I'll send him. These are the things that I used to do.
Good.
This is Africa. That's why my mission is to expose African culture, African lifestyle, African values, and then what we say, Africa! You know, I always tell that another African success is another African's happiness. This is what I always tell to my audience. So now this is the engine, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, okay. So actually, what is wrong with the car?
This car has smoke.
Yeah.
So normally when it comes to smoke, that is the part of the rings. It means the block is white now.
Yeah.
The only thing was to change the rings and fix new ones.
Okay. Okay.
So like when fixing these, the new rings, not only that you fix only rings, but you have to fix rings. Then there's oil pump.
Yeah.
Then there's cone and bearing.
Yeah.
These are the most things that you have to change, at least if you're removing.
Okay.
Like there's valve seals, all this you have to change. Okay. Because once you use the old ones, 2 to 3 days, the owner will complain. I gave you my car, the car was okay.
Yeah.
You spoiled it.
Yeah.
That's how it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, in your garage, I saw a car that is for sale. I don't know. It's like somewhere I saw a sticker. Car is for sale. Is that one? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. You sell also? You sell?
Yeah. Actually, because this is a garage, someone may have that interest of saying, I have a car and I don't have where to take. So I'll have to allow him to say that. Okay. Here I have customers who are also searching for cars to buy.
Okay.
So if this is the case, come with their car. And then in case if there's anyone, then the person will call you. That's why yes. When it comes to the challenges, we have a lot of challenges. The challenges are a lot. But I'm not telling someone that the person should leave this, like if someone is inspired on this work, the person should leave this work, no? I have a lot of challenges. Like one, the first challenge that is painful is the spare parts.
Okay.
Like you go to any shop, they'll tell you our things are original. So once you fix on the things, next tomorrow, the same thing again will appear. And there now, the owner of the car will complain, hey, you don't know how to repair my car. I've given. That's why most of the people are complaining. But this is the most challenge that is affecting all of us. Like there's no one who can say he's genius when it comes. Anyway, be genius in repairing, but fixing things that are fake, you never know. Yeah. Because like they'll even give you exactly whatever you may thought this is the right one. But after fixing, you find things will also have different. And second, this same issue of the spares. Like they will tell you the original one is expensive actually. Then the fake one is very cheap. So after buying the fake, just give something cheap, then I'll pay you. I'll give because I can't afford. Now fixing these fake things, next tomorrow you'll also complain, you did not fix these things right. These are the challenges we are facing actually. Then the other challenge is the owners of the cars. They will bring a car. So knowing that you will repair, then after that they're going to pay your money. So after repairing, you'll be the one to look for them. Like, you come and pick your car, you come and pick your car. They'll ever do it, I'll come tomorrow, or you wait. Then others, after repairing, they'll even give you pressure of like, I need this car, I need this engine to be, like, today you give me engine to work on, then you'll give me pressure like, I need this engine, at least by tomorrow I want to go somewhere. So repairing engine is not something easy. Actually, it'll take like 1 week, 2 weeks, so that even after fixing things, the engine have to stay for at least 1 week from me. But again, they give pressure like I need the car right. Then after 2 days, 3 days, when the car is down, they also complain you don't fix my car well. So these are the challenges that we're facing actually. Then the other challenge is, that one is mine personal, because I'm still new. Actually, I'm having customers now. I'm having clients who are always coming. But the challenges that I'm facing, I don't have like enough equipment. These are the only things that I'm actually facing. But I have a mission and a vision that after all these challenges, I'm going to make at least something that can look perfect.
Africa image is always been distorted in the world, but it's always our right. It's always you and I. Our right to change this negative perspective about Africa. Okay. Yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Please, if you like this video, subscribe below, comment below, and give a thumbs up, like for this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Africa to the world. I remain your African boy, Mr BmG. Goodbye.